there, welcome to Use and DIY. My name is Ben. We love coffee, well I love coffee, everyone loves coffee. This is the Vertuo Pop from Nespresso. Okay, so we've done some previous coffee videos on the channel before. We tried some coffee beans out. We do have an espresso machine, we've had it for a while now. The original pods, and then we moved it over to the Vertuo pods. Our system, our machine over there, the Vertuo Next, I think it's called. We'll do a side-by-side look. It's broken. Some of the seals have gone inside. I'm not sure about fixing it. It's out of warranty. So I thought, you know what, let's get a new machine. So we've gone for the Vertuo Pop. So the Vertuo Pop is a fairly new machine from Nespresso. You get it in different colours. You can see on the box here, it's like an orange colour. We've gone for black. I wasn't allowed to get a different colour. It had to fit in with the colour scheme in the kitchen, which over there is black. But they do all kinds of colours. They've got like a blue, orange, white, green, black, and we went boring, we went black. So these retail at £99. Through Nespresso, through my account, I did get some money off the actual machine itself. There was like a machine rebate and an offer I had on as well. So I think in the end I paid like £15 for this, just how it worked out. I did get 3 sets of pods extra with it as well, and I think you get a sleeve of 12 inside this box as well. So in this video, really quick look at it, we'll get it unboxed, I'll show it side by side with the other one we had, the Next XL Next or something it's called, see what it looks like side by side, and most importantly, we'll pour a coffee and give a coffee a taste. So let's get this box open and see what it's like. Okay, so first of all, nice packaging, nice colourful box, 99% recyclable. This cardboard box, really, really good. It's got a cardboard or paper handle as well, so that's great from a sustainability perspective. I know Nespresso are driving hard at the moment on their sustainability, so obviously they use aluminium on the pods? But yeah. So let's get this thing open and see what it's like. Instruction book included. That's like the cup, the thingy system for putting your cup on. That's that. Top bit of cardboard. The machine itself. And that's everything. So get that out of the way. So we've got a couple of instruction books, got a safety first. Looks like an actual user guide. So you can see I've got the Vertuo Next there. I've gone for the Pop, which is smaller. We don't need that one, and it is more money. So yeah. So the machine, let's have a look at it. Okay, I will get some close-ups as well of this, but you can see, nice sleek design. You've got the water barrel or the water system on the back. Looking at the other one, it does look a lot smaller. Probably get, you know, maybe 3 cups out there, small cups, 2 big ones perhaps. But hopefully this is a very similar system to the other one. There we go. So yeah, similar system. Pod goes on there, pop it down, bang, cup, make a coffee. So as I mentioned, this came with it. I don't know what I called it before, but it's obviously the part that you sit your cup on, just there. So pop that on there, and that sits on there snugly. So it's a much smaller machine compared to the Next. I'll get the Next, what's it called? The other one. Vertuo Next. I'll get the Vertuo Next out in a moment. But it's a bit of a diddier version. That one is quite big over there. I'll show it in shot in a second and we'll bring it over. So I'll stop talking now because I've waffled on there, and we'll have a look at the old one compared to this one. Okay, you can see over there, that's the old one, or the existing one. Can you see that? Let's just tilt that a little bit. So you can see just tucked over there. So this one will go in the exact same spot. Got the tray underneath as well where we keep our pods. So really little nice snug little corner for it there. So I'll bring that over to the table now and we'll check it out next to the other one. Okay, hopefully you can see them both there. So it's a lot less height-wise. In terms of the depth, there's not much difference, to be honest with you, I don't think. No, a few centimetres. But the height, the size, obviously the height of it is a lot different. Water barrel or water container, like I mentioned, is a lot smaller. So this one is taped down at the moment. So you can see it's a lot smaller. Maybe 2/3 of the size, or maybe even a half. So they're the difference. You can see the 2 machines there. Same concept, different size. This one will obviously let you do probably bigger cups in it. Maybe the, I can't remember what they're called, not a cafetiere, but the bigger jug that you can do with coffee. I'm waffling again. So yeah, they're the differences side by side. but this one's going to replace it now over there. So we'll transfer it over there and we'll start making some coffee. Okay, so we've got the machine there in the corner ready to use. So according to the instructions, there are some first steps. So you've got to rinse the water tank out, you've got to place the container obviously on the machine, turn on the machine, press the button 3 times within 2 seconds, and then the machine will actually start rinsing. So I guess it's just cleaning the system out, making sure there's nothing left in from the factory. And it says the procedure can take up to 7 minutes. So what we'll do, I will do that off camera. I don't want to bore you watching it for 7 minutes or even sped up, but that is all I'm going to do. I'm going to fill the water tank up, we're going to leave it, get it rinsed through, and then we'll start making some coffee. Okay, so we've run that through the system now, give it a full rinse, ready to do some coffee. That's a full kind of bowl there gone through. It's not mucky or anything, but we've cleaned the system through now. So I'll make a cup of coffee on it, we'll go back to the table and do a taste test. Boom. Okay, just before we make it, I want to show you what we're using. So one of the boxes I got with the coffee machine was the Ginseng Delight. So this is a double espresso, 80ml double espresso. So I've got an espresso cup here, which we will try and use. I'm not sure how strong this is. I do like a strong coffee. It is an espresso, so let's give it a go. So we'll use this now, we'll jump over there and get it made. Okay, we're back over at the table now with my Ginseng Delight. It smells beautiful. Real, almost fruity smell to it. So it's caramel flavour. Yes, it's sweet. I would have said fruit, but obviously caramel makes sense. So I'm gonna give it a quick taste, see what it's like. Oh wow. It's really sweet. And it does taste like caramel. It's really caramelly, to be honest with you. So yeah, really, really nice that. I think you'd only better once in a while for me. I do like a just standard, strong kind of, I can't even think of the name that I have. Is it the double scurro espresso that I use usually? This is totally different. Let me go again. Yeah, it's got a real caramel taste, so it's really, really nice. Really strong. Smells beautiful as well. Really, really good. The other two I got with it was the Melozio, which I think it's not an espresso, is it? No, it's a 230 cup, strength of 6. Other one was an Atlicio, which again is a 40ml cup, which is 9, strength of 9. I do like the stronger ones. Every now and again, I do like a tastier, bit more of a mellow one. So that's a Ginseng Delight. So we're all done there. Brand new Vertuo Pop machine from Nespresso, all installed, ready to use. Day to day. I've missed my Vertuo coffee, my Nespresso coffee, because that's been out of action now for 2 or 3 weeks. So really, really pleased we've got the Vertuo Nespresso machine back. Great that we can still use all the same pods, etc, etc. Great looking machine. It's a shame I didn't get one in colour. I wasn't allowed, so it's nice and black, fits in with the setup over there. But yeah, you get blue, orange, white. I think there's like a green as well. So tons of different options there for different colour schemes in your kitchen. So we're all done now. Nespresso, if you are watching, I do love Nespresso coffee. So if you want to sponsor the channel, anything like that, just hit me up and we can negotiate. But no, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It's been informative seeing the Vertuo Pop machine. Hopefully seen it next to the other one as well, the Vertuo Next machine. Just give you an idea of the size of it, the scale of it. It is smaller, but not that much smaller. It's that height that's, gives it the difference. So really good looking machine, all in the Nespresso ranges really. Hopefully this one will last as long and hopefully longer than the previous one. And if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you've got any questions about the machine, about my coffee, about me, anything at all, drop it in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, home DIY projects, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.